Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download music from YouTube in 2025. So in order to do this, first of all, open your phone, then simply navigate to Safari or any browser you have, then go to the search bar and type in youtube.com. Now, this will instantly open YouTube where you'll have to simply click on an rectangle icon at the bottom left of the screen that you will see. Then choose desktop site from the settings that you're going to see there. After this, your YouTube will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply pinch into zoom. Now, after zooming, click on the top right corner of the screen where you will have your profile picture for your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in before doing this. Now, click on YouTube Studio button that you will see from these options where it is going to take you to studio.youtube.com. Now, click on this small audio library icon at the bottom left of the screen. Now, when you click on audio library options, you're going to see a bunch of music appearing on this screen. You can easily click on the play icon to play it. At the bottom, you will see that specific song is currently playing. Now, simply scroll to the right side of this, and when you zoom in, you will see the download button appearing saying download audio track. Click on this download icon and this will instantly download that specific audio or music from YouTube. So you can also search for any YouTube audio you want and then you'll be able to download it. So downloading music on YouTube is pretty easy. So that's the simple way through which you can download music on YouTube. If you found this quite helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.